Finally, say start. Indian Information Service officers are the media managers of the Government of India. They act as a vital communication link between the government and the people by way of disseminating information and communicating various government policies and schemes to the public at large, and also collecting and providing valuable feedback to the government for policy formulation. Most IIS officers work in various media units which are under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, such as DD News, All India Radio, Press Information Bureau, DAVP, etc. During their tenure in Press Information Bureau, they are posted with various ministries as spokespersons to handle the ministry's information and communication needs and help in policy formulation. IIS officers are also posted as spokespersons to various constitutional bodies such as Comptroller and Auditor General of India, Election Commission of India, and statutory bodies such as Central Bureau of Investigation. Besides posting all over India, an IIS officer also gets posted to a few foreign assignments under Prasar Bharati. Indian Information Services (IIS) was established as an organized central service named Central Information Service (CIS) on 1st March 1960. Prior to 1960, these posts were manned by officers recruited separately by each media unit. In 1987, CIS was bifurcated into IIS Group A and IIS Group B. IIS, after the officers are allocating the service depending on their rank and preferences in the civil service exam. They undergo a 3 month foundation course at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie. This is followed by 9 months of professional training at Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi. During the training period, there is also a 3-week training module for IIS officer trainees at Film and Television Institute of India, Pune. Thereafter, an IIS probationer undergoes 1 year on job training, during which she is attached to various media units under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, such as Press Information Bureau, All India Radio, DD News, Registrar of Newspapers for India, Publications Division, Directorate of Field Publicity, New Media Wing of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity, Electronic Media Monitoring Center. After successful completion of the 2 years of probation, an IIS officer is posted to a media unit depending on the vacancies and recruitment. During the various roles of his or her career in directorate hierarchy, an IIS officer progress through following designations in ascending order of seniority: Assistant Director JTS Junior Time Scale, Deputy Director STS Senior Time Scale, Joint Director JAG Junior Administrative Grade level of Deputy Secretary to Government of India, Director JAG Junior Administrative Grade, Additional Director General SAG Senior Administrative Grade level of Joint Secretary to the Government of India Director General SG selection grade. By its very nature of handling the information and communication, the service enjoys a great diversity in its nature of work and responsibilities. The Ministry of I&B listed the functions of an IIS officer in its official mandate as to plan the executive and media strategy to provide publicity to various programs schemes of the government for the welfare of the people across the country. Stop.